Hello everyone, and welcome back to my gardening and growing channel. So a couple weeks ago, I think it was, I did an update on the asparagus that I planted in the pots. And in the video I said, well, it looks like they're all dead and the roots were dead and nothing came up. Well, I put them outside, watered them just to see what would happen. I didn't think anything would happen at all, actually. And then I saw, probably oh gosh, 2 days after I did the video, little green asparagus came up. So at the time it was probably small, just like this one here, but since then, gosh, a lot have popped up already. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, right now that have popped up. So I'm gonna wait for those to get quite a bit bigger, and then I'll plant them in the community garden. As far as the other ones, I don't see that any are popping up at all that I can see. But I'll leave those two and see if something happens. But that's just pretty interesting. I really didn't know how asparagus looked when they grow, but it's funny how thin they are. They're like really small, pencily like that. Um, anyway, so I think that's pretty cool. Another thing, the goofy aphids are back. We're back again. There was a lot, so I sprayed my plants again with the insecticidal soap, and I'm probably going to give them another blast with water later today or something. I noticed my little anise plant over there wasn't looking so hot. This one here. And I went ahead and blasted it and sprayed it too. They're just pesky buggers, and they multiply so fast, it appears, that I see this is probably going to be an ongoing battle all summer. I'm just hoping once I get them planted, they start growing, predators and such in the garden will take care of them. Hopefully. Like I said, I've never really had an aphid problem like this before, so it's a learning experience. And tomatoes are pretty big. They'll be getting put in the garden this weekend. They're all really big and doing well. And no real aphids on these as far as I could tell. Maybe aphids just don't like them. I'm not sure. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.